Hey, Coach Greg here with Fall Training, and if you are trying to get rid of those pesky bat wings, then this is the workout for you. Let's get started. Let's start off with a warm-up of arm circles, 30 seconds, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Arms stretching out to the side, reaching with your fingertips. We'll go small, medium, large, and then we will switch directions. This is a great way just to get blood flowing through your body. Medium, let's go large. Let's switch in 3, 2, 1, switch sides. There you go. Don't forget to breathe. Cool thing is about this workout, it's, no weights, no extra stuff needed, but we are gonna feel it. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Shake out your arms. Next, we have some unicorn taps. Feet are gonna be shoulder width apart. Hinge from your hips, core is tight. Arms are gonna be out in front, try to get close to your ears, and we're just tapping the back of our hands together. Unicorn taps. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's get it. Really reach with your arms. You're gonna feel it all up in your triceps and shoulders. Don't forget to breathe. Just like this. Your arms are gonna be on fire. I'm sorry in advance, but they're gonna look good though. Here we go. Couple more seconds here. 3, 2, 1, and done. Oh, I feel that, but you're really gonna feel it right now because we have a punch combo coming your way. All we're doing, don't focus so much on your footwork. We're focusing on our arms here. So arms are up, we're just going jab, cross, uppercut, uppercut. We'll keep it as simple as that. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. So boom, boom, uppercut, uppercut. Start slow at first if you need. I'll turn to the side for you. It's just here, boom, boom, uppercut, uppercut. It's usually easier if you use your legs, but sometimes people get too focused on, the right movement. So just throw your arms. We're trying to focus on those right now. There it is. Couple more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Next, we have the good old monkey pump. One of the banes of my existence. My flexibility is not where it should be, but this is so good for just your upper body, your arms, especially the back of your arms. Here we go. So you stand up nice and tall. We get our elbows to greet each other in the middle. Palms are facing you. We open up into a shoulder press, just like this. See if you can get your elbows to cross your eyebrows. You're a better person than me if you can. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Boom. I think the most important part is trying to get your arms as close as they can. You're gonna feel that squeeze. You can bounce with your knees as well. You don't have to be so locked out. There it is. I know you're feeling it, because I'm feeling it. Really squeeze. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. We are cruising. Last, we have a good old tricep pulse. We're gonna hinge from our hips, arms are behind us, palms facing up, and we are just gonna stay right here in this pocket. Don't let your arms drop below your pocket line. Just right here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Core is tight. Push the ground away with your feet and really extend and reach with your fingertips. There it is. By now your triceps are probably fatigued from all the other exercises. So this is where we push them to the limit. Here we go. Make sure you breathe. Oh yeah, I'm feeling it now. Couple more seconds. You got this. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Set 1, done and dusted. Grab some water if you need to, but let's continue to burn those bat wings off. But set 2 starts right now. Arm circle, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Three, two, one, done. Unicorn taps, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, done. Punch combo, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, done. Monkey pump, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, done. Tricep pulse, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, done. Great job, 2 sets down, 1 more to go. Come on, let's push ourselves. Let's get those arms nice and toned. Here we go, set 3 starts now.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Switch in 3, 2, 1, switch. Three, two, one, done. Unicorn taps, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, done. Punch combo, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, done. Monkey pump, 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, done. Tricep pulse, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, done. And there you have it. That was your bat wings workout. Give yourself one of these and one of these because you earned it, my friend. Thank you so much for joining me on this workout. Please let us know what type of workouts and videos you are looking for this new year. We just want to make sure we are catering everything that we do for you guys. So please, if you don't tell us, we don't know. So just leave comments, even if it's just a compliment, a concern. Hopefully not complaints, but we just want to hear from you guys. And we have so many more videos coming your way, so click the notification bell to stay on top of that. But I will see you later, so stay strong, my friend. Peace.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.